I'm going to show you what we can do with Gourmet's beautifully versatile handcrafted products in no time at all with the most amazing flavors. Great bolognese sauce, ready to go, ready to eat. Absolute answer to all of our worries. I love it, obviously, with spaghetti and some beautiful grated Parmesan cheese. Bechamel sauce, no more whisking required. Ta-da! We've done it all for you. And you can use this on the lasagna, which basically makes your lasagna like instant. Everybody loves bolognese, and we love bolognese the most when it's in a lasagna. But we never make lasagna because it takes too much time, it's full of fuss, and we have leftover dishes that can take a long time to wash up. So I'm going to show you how to make a lasagna quick sticks with 3 amazing ingredients from Gourmet Egypt. So step 1 is to heat the sauces separately, just to get the flavors going and to bring it to a nice boil. So we're going to start with heating the bolognese into a pot. Smells amazing. All I'm going to do with this sauce is just simmer it on medium heat for a couple of minutes to bring it up to a nice boil and then leave it. And that's all we need to do. Simple. Next step is to heat up the bechamel sauce, which is just amazing because it's taken away all of that long labor of whisking and keeping an eye on it and all those things. All we do now is just pop it straight into the pot and bring it to the boil. Whilst the sauces are heating up, I'm going to tell you that I think we should promote cooking lasagna for 1 or for 2. Normally we cook lasagna for a big family gathering or if someone special is coming over, but we ourselves are just as special. So we should treat ourselves to making lasagna for ourselves. And that's what I'm going to do with this dish. Start with putting a little bit of the bechamel sauce at the bottom and then put the lasagna sheets on top. Lasagna sheets. Obviously, they're not going to fit into this size of dish, so I'm just going to break them up a little bit to make sure that they fit in. So I'm going to just take it and break it over here, like that. Hold it down and lift there, and it snaps off. And this one, it's a bit sort of like a puzzle, so take your time. And now we're going to put the bolognese, yummy, tasty Gourmet Egypt ready-made bolognese onto the lasagna sheets. And then another ladle of the beautiful ready-made bechamel sauce. And another layer of our puzzle lasagna sheets. And now another layer of the sauce. Another layer of the bechamel sauce on top of this. That's funny. And the last sheet of lasagna. And now I'm just going to top that with the last layer of the bechamel sauce. And now for the last final layer, beautiful grated mozzarella cheese. If you place your order with Gourmet Egypt, make sure to say what you would like, if you want it shredded or sliced or cubed, whatever. I'm going to add some more grated Parmesan cheese because more cheese is happiness and joy. And this is all we need to do is pop it into the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees and enjoy simple cooking. Beautiful lasagna. Who would have thought that you could make something so delicious in such a short time? I've let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes so it can just solidify a little bit so that when you lift it out, it doesn't go everywhere. And I'm going to enjoy this because this is one of my favorite things. Although every food is my favorite thing actually. It's hard for me to choose. Ta-da! I'm sorry for you because you don't get to taste this whilst I'll do. Right? I know. That's really, really, really yummy. This lasagna is so tasty for so little work. I definitely suggest it. It's the first thing that you make when you go to the next gourmet shopping spree.